Davey. Davey! Yeah.
Hey, Daddy, you wanna come out here?
Ain't no more sad song, come almost rich. Bitch, I'm way too lit. Ho can't tell me shit. On the way to the top, ho, we came from the bricks. Started from the project, now the house look like a lick. Ain't no more sad song, come almost rich. Bitch, I'm way too lit. Ho can't tell me shit. On the way to the top, ho, we came from the bricks. Started from the project, now the house look like a lick.
So, broski, we made it to the Nike outlet. About to go inside, see if we can catch anything, man. I can't even fake, I'm still kind of tight by that package being missing, G, but yeah, we here, so. Let's get straight to it, G. Pop down this first aisle, see what we got. Runners, hey. Monarchs. For the 54 black Monarchs. Flyknit, Air Max Ultra. These hard. Hey. I don't know the name of it. This joint cool. For the 69, not bad. Air Zoom Mariah, Flyknit Racer for the 89. Not bad at all. Clean kick right here. Dad vibes. Got special feel mids for days, but on the J's, Flyknit ones, 129. Destructs, 129. Yeah. Flyknit dunks, I sneak like these. For the 79. All white Air Max up tempo 95s. Got ladies and kids, basketball. Cyber Money 3s for the Jits, for the 80, 32s. More ladies kicks. Let's peek the walls, G. The strokes. For the 50. Size 11, that ain't bad. Flight Bonafide joints. The wild poop, G. I can't even fake. 60. Flyknit dunks. Trainers, G. A whole lot of this going on. About the hardest shoe. For the 34. Crazy suede blazers. Yeah, these not bad at all. What is this though? It's wild, G. The leather look nuts though. Air Force One boys might like these joints. For the 99, that 30% off, that might be a steal there. These for my skaters. Ain't much. Oh, Kyrie's. For the 94. These ain't my swag though. Flying Soldiers, I ain't never seen this colorway. That ain't too bad. I don't think I'd pay that 109 though. 86 to see if I can find Roost or something. They got the dope Kyrie's. Pretty sweet pair of dunks for the kids. Trying to think if I seen anything else for the kiddos. I still ain't got Rooster a shoe yet, man. I want Rooster first pair to be a banger. Oh, what's this? Rough shoe one high. Oh, seen something look like some cool grays. Oh, 64 bucks with that 30 off. That would be so fire. Man. Yeah, I would totally do that if they had my size. Ooh. Oh yeah. Thumbnail right here, bro. Too bad it's a size 18, but man. Yeah, that's crazy. At least we got something. Thumbnail gonna be fire. Can't say I clickbaited them boys. Nah, broski, we empty-handed, you know what I'm saying? Me being goofy, I ain't even look and check the coupon. That 30% off don't start until tomorrow, so if you in the 757, pull up. I ended up grabbing some apparel, you know what I mean? But I told him I gotta hold it for me because, of course, the coupon don't start until tomorrow. And after everything check out, it's like $54, you know what I'm saying? I had like 3-4 items. A couple t-shirts, some shorts. I got some sweatpants for Chicky Beezy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna come back, grab that, and shit, if y'all on the 757 and you on this outlet flow, you know what I mean, holla at me. And before we get up out of here, I made a shout out to my homie, Ballin' on a Budget, broski. He be killing them outlet videos. He be on the outlet videos heavy, so if y'all wanna see more outlet videos, check out my man's channel, you know what I'm saying? He got a gang on him, all on bangers too. But yeah, we're gonna get up out of here. From my fan to yours, Ma. The good neighbors next door came in the clutch. Thank God we got good neighbors, bro. Janky ass mailman gave the neighbors my package, man. So yeah, all love to the guys. I DM'd the homies to let them know that it came. You know what I mean? I don't know if they seen the initial ones or the ones I sent afterwards or not, but yeah, man. Let's get into it, bro. Or shit. Getting that after school read in. Can I unbox your shoes?
Sure.
I can. Oh yeah, boy.
I want to. Wait a sec.
I'm gonna do it right here.
You keep reading, cause you on the clock.
Yeah, y'all got stuff to do anyway, you know what I'm saying? I think.
No, you don't. She got to read 15 minutes.
Oh yeah, my bad.
I have to unfit.
Let's get in here, Bo. Yeah, bro, I can't even find my blade, so we just gonna use these hands like the big homie Mike Rich said.
What?
He
sure do.
Okay. In there. That's a return. You know what I'm saying? Return joint with the literature on the back. Hey. I like the box, but it's smoosh.
Smooth.
That's smoosh.
God, just take my body now. Thank you. That beautifulness. How?
Yeah.
How?
We got chicken in the game, bro.
How could something be so beautiful?
We're gonna hit y'all with the on foot probably tomorrow, man. Y'all just stay tuned, G.
Yeah, cause she wearing them to school tomorrow.
Oh yeah. So I just catch Chicky in the morning when she put them on.
We all gotta be up in the morning anyway, so.
Yeah.
Wow.
Rooster's getting up out of here tomorrow.
Oh,
I wear mine in the morning too. Oh shoot. I was about to be so hurt, dog. I was hurt.
I know you. Oh Lord.
Ooh. Oh. How y'all think these can go in the phone?
fire!
Yeah. Why they jump with a phone stuff?
Daddy is burning.
Ooh. Y'all see what I was trying to cook up, you know what I'm saying? Had me a little white V-neck on. I'd be in the gun. Yeah, that's the fit for tomorrow though.
The gods are cool.
It ain't supposed to be hot tomorrow.
It ain't?
No.
Damn. Killed that.
The gods are still cool.
Ma.
Ain't no more sad songs. I know that what haters want. Bruh, I'm almost on, and they the one I'm gon' shit on. Mob be the click, little bitch. Socket shot supreme shit. Play the mob, I lean shit. I'm talking in a beam shit. Send some dryer steam shit. With no pit, mean shit. Mighty Morphin Power Ranger for the fucking team shit. Lawn full of green shit.